Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title about is guys headphone, how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. As you want to disconnect this headphone to your phone, so as you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect headphone in our Vivo phone. Guys, you have guys this headphones. So guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to disconnect it. So guys, let's see how to disconnect it. Guys, first of all, open your phone setting. And guys, Bluetooth and devices guys, you can see. So guys, click here. Guys, click on guys your Bluetooth. And guys, you can see guys, we have connected this headphone to our Vivo phone. So guys, now we will disconnect. Guys, you can see this right side guys, this setting option. So guys, click here. And guys, right side again guys, you can check disconnect option. So as you can disconnect from here guys. So as you can see guys, we will off this headphone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect headphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye my friends.